You know, it's that word entitlement, that justification that you get. We're going home every night and drinking that 12-pack of beer, putting on that 15, 25 extra pounds of weight, looking at her and saying, baby, you know I work too hard. I just ain't got time to go to the gym. You know, and then we'll go to our homeboys and tell her, man, I just don't know. She sees Taylor Channing and her eyes just light up. We have the audacity to be mad about it. As if she really wanted to marry someone less than fucking Hercules. No, she wanted a couch potato. Yeah. She wanted a fucking waffle iron instead of getting her brains fucked out 3 or 4 times a week by her husband. That's what she was shooting for. Listen, I've been there. Okay? But today is the return of fucking masculinity in this day. Okay? Fucking man up. Get strong or fucking die trying. Fluent English.